And shifting focus, Prime Minister Modi received a grand welcome at the ET Now Global Summit 2025, where Times Group MD Vineet Jain praised his vision for a stronger economic partnership between India and the United States. Referring to the Prime Minister's remarks that Make America Great Again and Make India Grow in America could together form a mega partnership, Vineet Jain highlighted the significance of two economic powerhouses and the world's largest democracies working together.
Prime Minister, may I first congratulate you on your landmark visit to the US, which will go a long way in resetting relations across trade and investment, energy security, technology, and defense. The launch of the US-India Compact for the 21st century will indeed catalyze opportunities for military partnership, accelerated commerce, and technology. Your mantra of MAGA plus MIGA, which is Make India Great Again, is equal to mega partnership between the two economics powerhouses and the world's biggest democracies, has resonated very well. Today, the world is looking at India with admiration and anticipation. Once spoken of in terms of potential, India is now defined by its performance. We are not just part of global economic conversations, we are shaping them. India's economic rise is not just a national milestone, but a global force in motion. We stand at a critical inflection point in our history. The global economic order is undergoing rapid recalibration. The rules of the game are changing, and those who evolve, emerge, and expand will define the future. This is also the theme at ET Now GBS this year: evolve, emerge, expand.
And in his address, the Prime Minister took a sharp swipe at what he called the Congress-backed ecosystem of negativity, asserting that the BJP's thumping victory in Delhi reflected the people's strong desire for a Viksit Bharat, a developed India. With India's economic ambitions in focus, the summit sent a clear message: India was ready to lead on the global stage.
नई सरकार बनने के बाद देश के अनेक राज्यों में बीजेपी एनडीए को जनता का आशीर्वाद लगातार मिल रहा है। जून में ओडिशा के लोगों ने विकसित भारत के संकल्प को गति दी, फिर हरियाणा के लोगों ने समर्थन किया, और अब दिल्ली के लोगों ने हमें भरपूर समर्थन दिया है। ये एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट है कि देश की जनता आज किस तरह विकसित भारत के लक्ष्य के लिए कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चल रही है।
Now with that, it's a wrap, but do stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching.